Leopards are powerful big cats closely related to lions, tigers, and jaguars. They live in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India, and China. However, many of their populations are endangered, especially outside of Africa. This is one cat that doesn't need any help getting down from a tree. The leopard is so comfortable up there that it often stalks prey and even hauls its kills up into the branches. In the wild, leopards live 12 to 15 years. In zoos, they live up to 23 years. The wolf is a canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, including the dog and dingo, though gray wolves, as popularly understood, only comprise naturally occurring wild subspecies. Like most canids, wolves have a high body, long legs, broad skull tapering to a narrow muzzle. The tail is bushy and coat has a thick, dense underfur. Colors vary from light to dark gray with black and white interspersed, to some individuals being solid black and solid white. In the wild, wolves typically live 5 to 7 years on average, although some may live up to 13 years or even longer. Wolves in captivity can live for 12 to 17 years. Wild boars, also called feral pigs or hogs, have wreaked much havoc as invasive species in recent years. Native only to Asia, parts of North Africa and most of Europe, they now live on every continent except Antarctica. Wild boar live in forests, steppes, grasslands, wetlands and venture onto farmlands to forage. Boars have an extra thick layer of protective skin known as the shield or shoulder plate, which helps protect them in their fights for mating rights. Their faces are also weaponized with tusks that they can use as daggers for fighting and self-defense. Wild boars typically have a lifespan of 1 to 2 years in the wild, with a maximum lifespan of 9 to 10 years, while some individuals in captivity have lived much longer, reaching up to 27 years. The bearded dragon lives up to its name. Like a dragon, it's equipped with armor of spiny reptilian scales, which include a beard of spikes under its chin that puffs up depending on its mood. In the wild, bearded dragons' range extends across most of Australia. They typically prefer to stick to warm, arid areas, deserts, subtropical woodlands, savannas, and scrublands. A warm habitat is crucial for bearded dragons. They're cold-blooded and rely on external heat sources to raise their body temperature, which varies according to the temperature of their environment. Bearded dragons typically live for 8 to 15 years, though some have been known to live up to 18 years or more in captivity. In the wild, their lifespan is shorter, around 5 to 8 years. The majestic-looking animals called black panthers belong to the kingdom of Animalia. Black panthers look just like big giant cats and aren't separate species. They are in fact variations Panthera genus, leopards and jaguars. Its black fur color is a result of the pigment melanin, a result of genetic mutation, and is also called black leopard and black jaguar. The scientific name of black panthers is Panthera pardus and Panthera onca. Black panthers are declining in numbers, they are referred to as endangered species. Black panthers typically have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years in the wild, and can live up to 23 years in captivity. As burrowing mammals with porcine snouts, aardvarks are true to their name, which translates to earth pig in the Afrikaans language. The nocturnal animals use their long noses and keen sense of smell to sniff out ants and termites, which they lap up with an anteater-like tongue covered in sticky saliva. Aardvarks use their long, powerful claws to tear open termite mounds, as well as dig underground burrows in which they sleep and care for their young. Aardvarks typically live for about 18 years in the wild and can live up to 23 years in captivity.